Good day mga ka-Pop Cars Quality Cars. Are you looking for an elegant family car that is budget-friendly and at the same time matipid sa gas? This 2025 series GAC M6 Pro is the van for you. This van is powered by a 1.5 turbocharged gasoline engine kaya di ka bitin sa performance nito. May 3 drive mode selector ito na pwede ninyo pilian. Depende sa mood nyo. May sport, eco at comfort. Very elegant and classy interior and exterior. Pearl white color, naka-captain seats pa for maximum passenger comfort. Naka-red leather accents ang sidings at ang dashboard. Yung touchscreen head unit is also equipped with Apple CarPlay. So guys, if dream car ninyo ang Alphard pero kulang pa sa budget, pwedeng-pwede na itong van na ito. Komportable at elegante na, matipid pa sa gasolina. Plus kasya ang buong pamilya at mga bagahe. Brand new condition to guys. Kita nyo naman, walang mga gasgas, walang mga punit, sobrang sariwa. Full CASA maintained with CASA records. Nandito ang mga resibo, pwede kong pakita sa inyo. Hindi pa nagagamit yung spare tire at saka mga tools, may spare key din itong kasama. Please like and follow Pop Cars Car Sales for more best cars at low prices. Basta Pop Cars, quality cars.